don't follow the rules.
Very near traffic, you know.
I can't drive there.
Yeah, very difficult.
I mean, just the honk.
Okay.
Like, what is this?
See, here no honking.
Yeah, I mean, if you honk, it's like because they make a mistake. Because you don't honk just randomly.
Yes. Any fine is there for that? Any token? Any tickets issues? Oh, no.
For honking?
Huh.
No.
But in Thailand it's there.
Yeah. I've never heard of someone honking so much they get a ticket. I've never heard of that. But, I mean, it could happen, I guess. This whole place is going to change.
Yes. To the ranch.
Just a chair.